everyone. Wish you a good day to all of you. So, can we begin the class? Yes. So, do you remember, children, what we studied in the previous class? Yes, we were studying about the different food items we were eating, right? We studied about the different food items we make from rice, we make from wheat, right? Yes, and also we eat leafy vegetables, pulses, then all the other types of vegetables, fruits. Along with that, to add flavors, we will eat salt, sugar, chili, cardamom, cinnamon, fenugreek. So many food items we will eat. Right? Yes. So we were discussing about that in the last class. Now today we are going to discuss about the food items which is to be cooked and food items which is not to be cooked or uncooked. So children, can you say some food items which we cook and eat? Exactly. Almost all the vegetables we are eating by cooking it, right? Like tapioca, potato, elephant yam, right? Yes, then many others are there. Brinjal, lady's finger. So this all we are cooking and eating it. But there are food items which are not to be cooked. Can you say what it is? Yes, it's the fruits, right? Apple, orange, banana, grapes, right? Papaya. It can be also eaten as fruit, and also carrot. Okay, so this all you can use it as without cooking. And there are food items, children, which can be cooked as well as which can be eaten as not cooking. Can you say what it is? Can you give an example for the food items which can be cooked or it cannot be cooked? Exactly. We can eat carrot. Without cooking also we can eat. With cooking also we can eat carrot. Tomato. Yes. Banana. Right. So these all are the food items which we can cook and eat and also which we cannot cook and eat. Okay, children? Yes. So, just tell me what we have to do while using the vegetables and fruits. Yes, there are some, we have to be very careful while we are using the fruits and vegetables. We have to wash it. You might have seen your mother washing the fruits and vegetables, right? Yes, after washing it thoroughly, you have to cut them into pieces. And remember, children, you should not wash after cutting. Okay, you should not wash the vegetables or fruits after cutting. So before cutting, you have to wash every fruits and vegetables. And also you have to be very careful that the vegetable should not be overcooked. What do you mean by overcooked, children? There is a limit for cooking vegetables. If you overcook it, all the nutrients we have learned in the previous class, there are 5 nutrients, right? Yes, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, proteins, minerals. So these are the 5 nutrients we learned in the last class. So if you overcook it, what happens? All the nutrients will go. So we have to cook only to some extent. So don't overcook the vegetables. Now can you say a dish where all the vegetables can be eaten as raw without cooking? Raw means without cooking. Can you say the name of the dish, children, where all the vegetables can be eaten without cooking? Yes, it's the vegetable salad. See, in the vegetable salad, it is a dish which is prepared by many kinds of or many varieties of vegetables. Okay, and these vegetables are not cooked also. Like you can take the onion or savala, right? Yes, you can take cucumber, you can take tomato, yes, you can take carrot. So this all are the vegetables, you can use it in a salad. So do you know how to prepare the salad? You might have seen your mother preparing it, right? So do you know how to prepare? It's very easy, children. You have to cut the vegetables into pieces. After that, you have to put curd and salt and mix in the spoon thoroughly. So your dish is ready. Some people, instead of curd, you can use lemon juice or vinegar. So this is how we can make a vegetable salad. So children, when you eat your food, the food must have all the essential nutrients. Then only there is a value for eating the food. Okay, then only it will be very useful for our body. But many people nowadays are depending on fast food. What are fast food, children? Yes, the food which is kept in the shops. See, they will put attractive substances. Okay, they will put many sorts of harmful substances to attract the persons, to attract the people. For example, if you take soft drinks, if you take ice creams, everything, they will add many flavors, they will add many colors to it, which is very harmful to our body. Okay? So, don't go for such food. Don't eat such food. Include more vegetables and fruits in your food. So if you take the fast food, it is easy for you to get the disease. So always depend on the food which has high nutrients. Okay? Yes. Now we can see many things, we can smell many things, we can hear many sounds, right? Yes, we can taste many things. So children, tell me, which organ helps us to do this? Exactly, it's the sense organs. So, which all are the sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So, there are 5 sense organs in our body. So, what is the function of each sense organs? With eyes, what can you do? Yes, you can see an object. You can see whatever things is in front of you. And with the ears, we can hear different kinds of sounds. And through the nose, we can smell the things. Through the tongue and the skin, through the tongue, we can taste. Whether it is sour, whether it is bitter, whether it is sweet. Okay? And through the skin, we can feel whether it is hot or whether it is cold. So these are the functions of different sense organs. So how can you say that if a raw mango and a ripe mango is given in front of you? How can you identify, children? You can identify by seeing it. Yes, because raw mango will be green in color and the ripe mango will be yellow in color. So you can see and identify it, or you can taste it with your tongue. Okay, so children, there is an activity given in your textbook. So let's do that activity, children. All of you take the page of that activity and see what it is given, the different situations, right? And in each situations, which sense organs are we using? So can we discuss, children? Yes. So first one is the color of a rainbow. Through which sense organs we can see the color of rainbow? We can only see it, right? So through eyes. So you can put a tick under the eye. Next one, sound of birds. Through which sense organs you can do this? Yes, through the ears. Through the ears we can hear the sound of the birds. So you put a tick under the ears. Hotness of tea. How do you know that the tea is hot or cold? Yes, you can use here two sense organs. Either you can taste it through your tongue and see whether it is hot or cold, or you can feel it through skin by touching the glass. So you can use here two sense organs, tongue and the skin. So put a tick under that. Now next one, children, hotness of chili. Chili powder, hotness of chili. So through which sense organs you can find? Through our tongue. Next one, smoothness of the feather is through the skin. You can put a tick under the skin. Sound of thunder. Yes, you can hear it with your ears. So put under ear tick. Stars in the sky. Yes, you can see the stars. So eyes, you can put tick under the eyes. Fragrance of incense stick. Yes, you can smell it with your nose. So put tick under the nose. Coolness of eyes. Yes, you can feel it through your skin. So put a tick under the skin. So hope you understood this activity, children. Yes? Yes. Now, the next one, we always says that we have to wash our hands before and after eating the meal, eating the food, or after going to the toilet. Okay? Because what happens? The germs will be there in our hands. So while we eat the food without washing the hands, the germs can enter our body and we can cause diseases. So that is why we are always, the elders says that you have to wash your hands whenever you go anywhere outside and before you are eating the food. So here is an experiment conducted by the children. What they did means they took a 3/4 of the bucket with water. Then they took a small glass and took the water from it and kept it on the table. Then they asked their friends to wash the hands from the water in the bucket. So all the students, all the children washed their hands from the water in the bucket. After washing, you have to take another glass and take some water and keep it on the table. Now you have to see the color change. Can you see any color change, children? Yes, the first water which was taken in the first glass, it was clear water. There were no germs at all. There were no dirt at all. After the children has washed their hands, the second glass, you can see the color change because it consists of lots of germs. So see children, if you didn't wash your hands, what happens? Yes, the germs will be there in your hands. It will go into your body and it will cause many health issues, many diseases. So it is always advisable to wash your hands before and after eating the meal and after going to the toilet. So this is all about today's class. Hope you have understood this. So today we have discussed about the food items which can be cooked, food items which is not needed to cook, food items which can be eaten as by cooking or by not cooking. And also we learned about vegetable salad, how to make the vegetable salad. Okay, then we also learned about you should not depend on the fast food. Always eat the food which is having high value, high nutrition. Okay, and also we learned about the importance of washing the hands after and before eating the food and after going to the toilet. So this is all about today's topic. So bye children.